In the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, nature is unleashing its fury. A storm is brewing that is too powerful to ignore, Hurricane Kiko. But what makes this storm so dangerous, and how can we stay prepared as it intensifies?
Welcome to today's in-depth coverage of Hurricane Kiko, a storm that has surged to the terrifying strength of a Category 4 hurricane, one of nature's most powerful forces. But what exactly does that mean for the millions of people watching the storm's every move? Let's break it down. On September 3rd, Hurricane Kiko intensified into a Category 4 storm on the Saffir-Simpson wind scale, with sustained winds of 130 mph or 215 kilometers per hour. This storm, currently located about 100 to 600 miles east of Hawaii, is moving westward at a relatively slow pace of just 9 mph.
Category 4 hurricanes are extremely powerful. They're capable of causing catastrophic damage. With winds this high, they can tear roofs off homes, snap power poles, and create widespread power outages.
And the power doesn't stop there. Kiko is predicted to strengthen even further, possibly intensifying before it begins to fluctuate. But right now there's good news. Kiko is over open waters with no immediate threat to land. To understand the gravity of Hurricane Kiko, it's important to know the scale by which we measure a hurricane's strength, the Saffir-Simpson scale. It ranges from Category 1, the weakest, to Category 5, which is catastrophic. Kiko's current Category 4 status places it on the threshold of what can be considered a major hurricane, meaning it's capable of devastating destruction. Meanwhile, further south, Hurricane Lorena is also intensifying off the coast of Baja California. With maximum sustained winds of 80 mph, Lorena is a Category 1 storm for now, but it's expected to strengthen through the evening, making it a significant threat to coastal Mexico. Though weaker than Kiko, Lorena still poses a dangerous risk, with rainfall totals expected to reach up to 15 inches in some regions. Flash floods, mudslides, and life-threatening rip currents are all real possibilities. Whether you're facing Hurricane Kiko or Lorena, preparation is key. It's crucial to understand the difference between a hurricane watch and a warning. A watch means a storm is possible in your area, but a warning indicates that conditions are imminent. If you're in a hurricane zone, the time to prepare is now. So how do these storms form? Hurricanes, like Kiko and Lorena, start as tropical storms, fueled by the warm waters of the ocean. As the water heats the air above it, the rising air creates a low-pressure system that draws in more warm, moist air, making the storm grow stronger and more organized.
The warmer the ocean water, the more energy a hurricane can gain, which is why we often see the most intense storms in late summer and early fall.
As of now, Hurricane Kiko is moving westward, and its forecast track places it far from land. However, that could change. While it's not expected to make landfall anytime soon, this is a storm that we'll continue to monitor closely.
Meanwhile, Lorena's path could bring it closer to land. It's expected to weaken as it nears the Baja California peninsula, but heavy rainfall and dangerous coastal conditions will persist.
These hurricanes are just a few examples of the fierce power of nature. Whether you live in a storm-prone area or are simply fascinated by the forces of nature, it's essential to stay informed. You can track the storms with up-to-date forecasts and always be prepared.
Thank you for watching. Stand up for independent journalism and support PBS's mission to deliver trusted news. We're not going anywhere.